And in breaking news, like we told you, 18 people have been arrested in the Jamshedpur lynching case. Police will initiate further action as confirmed to the Times Network by IG Ashish Batra. Shyam Sundar now joins me on the phone line with more details of this. Shyam joins me live right now with details of this news that is just coming in. Shyam, tell us, who are these 18 people who've been arrested? Shyam, can you hear me?
Well, when we spoke to the IG, yes, I can hear you. When we spoke to the IG operations, Ashish Batra, just now, he just gave us a clarification. He said that 18 people have been arrested in all the three incidents of lynching. The first incident happened in Jadugora, which is close to Jamshedpur, and then the second incident in Rajnagar, and then Bagbera. In all these incidents, he said that 18 people have been arrested, and the police is still on the lookout for some more people. He clearly said that many CCTV footages are also being investigated, and he's also requested Times Now for the footage that we are running, in which it's clearly seen that despite police presence, how these three people who were lynched in Bagbera, the footage clearly shows that armed police personnel have been standing there, but they are just mute spectators because the hooligans have a control over everything. Basically, these victims were dragged out of the police jeep, then beaten brutally. So definitely it raises question on the law and order situation here in Jamshedpur, and Jamshedpur being the home constituency of Raghuvar Das, who is the chief minister. So definitely now the opposition is training its gun even on the government. They've been asking that when the government and the police knew about such rumors which was going around in the city for the past fortnight, and some people even say for the past 1 month, that a group of child lifters have been active in Jamshedpur. Why was the police quite silent on this? Why didn't the police take any action when social media was abuzz with all such activities of photographs and texts which were being sent to each other with photographs of children being kidnapped? Why didn't the police act? What was the SSP of Jamshedpur doing? So these are different questions which the police will definitely have to answer, and especially the chief minister will have to do a lot of answering, because the opposition now clearly saying that it's just nothing else but Jungle Raj here in Jharkhand, and these incidents which happened in Jamshedpur definitely raises questions on the law and order and on the Jharkhand police, that in front of a police a bunch of hooligans behave like this. They brutally beat people, and the old lady who's clearly seen in the video, she's praying, she's begging for the life of her grandson, but the police are just mute spectators. So definitely the police will have to do a lot of answering. The IG operations, just now he spoke to us, he said that yes, action will be taken, and in the footage which Times Now has been showing, even he's requested us for those footage, and he said that if these policemen are found not performing the duty, action will also be taken against them.
Right, Shyam, stay with us. And to bring our viewers up to speed, 6 people were lynched by villagers in 3 places in the state of Jharkhand. In Jamshedpur, the lynching has been caught on camera, where villagers can be seen mercilessly beating 3 men over suspicions of them being child lifters. The police too weren't spared, like Shyam just pointed out. In fact, when the police team reached the spot, the locals started pelting stones at them, causing injuries to a few personnel. And we now understand that the Times Network has been asked to pass on this footage by the IG himself so that they can further investigate this entire incident. But Shyam, tell us this, like people who you spoke with earlier after this incident, and like you yourself pointed out, this is also because children were being kidnapped. People pointed out that there were no complaints that were being filed in police station. What explains the inaction of the police, and how can you give us some background on this entire issue?
Well, absolutely. Even the IG accepted in his interview with Times Now that not a single FIR has been registered of a child kidnapping in the entire city of Jamshedpur. So when we asked him that such rumors were going around, why did the police not act? He definitely avoided answering that question, because definitely the IG did not have an answer to that. But yes, on camera he accepted that not a single FIR has been registered in the entire city of Jamshedpur where a child has been kidnapped. And even when we spoke to the locals here, even they said that no such incident have been reported. It was just rumors which was doing the rounds, and it's being said that social media played an active role. Now even it's being said that children were not allowed to go out in the afternoon alone. There were many parents had even stopped the children from going to school. In the evening, children were not allowed to go outside their houses to play in the fields or in nearby localities. So definitely there was a sense of fear among the parents here also because of such rumors. But where did the rumors start from? What was the motive behind it? Now some even tried tried to paint it as a tribal versus non-tribal fight, whereas some tried to put it, give it a communal color, because on Saturday we saw here there was a communal tension here where there was a fight between two groups and the police had to resort to firing. First they fired tear gas shells to disperse the mob, but when the unruly mob did not come under control, then the police had to fire in the air to control the mob. So definitely it's being said that something is going around in the city and trying to give it a political color, whether be it tribal versus non-tribal or giving it a communal color. But who is behind this? The police has still not been able to zero in on it. The IG operations clearly said that yes, we are in touch with many people. We also have many informers here, and we are trying to collect whatever information we have. An inquiry has been constituted. The Chief Minister Raghuvar Das also spoke to Times Now, and he said that yes, he has ordered an inquiry, and very soon the truth will definitely be coming out.
Shyam, thank you very much for joining us with all those details there. Of course, that is breaking news coming in on Mirror Now for you. 18 people have been arrested in the Jamshedpur lynching case. That is a footage that you're seeing, which in fact is Times Network footage that the IG has asked for to help in the investigation. Police will initiate further action in the case, and from what we understand, an inquiry also has been constituted. The IG, Ashish Batra, has confirmed all of this to the Times Network. This, of course, is from Jamshedpur, which is the home constituency of Chief Minister of Jharkhand, Raghuvar Yadav.